America's most underrated full-size SUV just got 583 pound-feet of torque. And every Chevrolet Suburban, Ford Expedition, and Lincoln Navigator owner needs to hear this right now, because the 2026 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro is doing something that no other full-size SUV at this price is even attempting. Luxury inside. Absolute monster off-road. Stay right here, because this changes everything you thought you knew about full-size SUVs. Walk up to the 2026 Sequoia TRD Pro and it does not apologize for its size, not even slightly. A redesigned aggressive front bumper with integrated skid plate protection. TRD Pro specific black wheels wrapped in Falken Wildpeak all-terrain tires that mean genuine business on any surface. Fox internal bypass shocks fitted from the factory. The same shock absorber technology used on dedicated off-road racing vehicles. On a full-size family SUV, that combination should not exist at this price. Toyota made it happen anyway. Park it next to a Ford Expedition, and the Expedition looks like it was designed for school pickups and grocery runs. The Sequoia TRD Pro looks like it was designed for something significantly more serious. Step inside, and here is where the luxury heart part of this story becomes completely real. Premium Softex leather seating across all 3 rows. A 14-inch touchscreen running Toyota's latest infotainment system. Fast, responsive, wireless Apple CarPlay, and wireless Android Auto both standard. The second row seats recline and have their own climate controls. The third row has genuine adult legroom. And the overall cabin quality matches vehicles costing $30,000 more. Now, here is my honest complaint. The 14-inch screen sits slightly too high in the dashboard. Eye level is comfortable, but reaching the lower touchscreen functions while driving requires taking your eyes off the road for longer than it should. Toyota needs to angle that screen slightly more toward the driver. At this price, that adjustment is not optional. It is necessary. Under the hood, a twin turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 hybrid system, 389 horsepower, 583 pound-feet of torque. That torque number is the one that matters, because it arrives instantly from the electric motor at 0 RPM. Towing 8,100 pounds feels genuinely effortless. Climbing a steep rocky trail feels completely controlled. And merging onto a highway in a 3-ton full-size SUV feels almost unfairly quick. Buy it without any hesitation whatsoever. Starting around $78,000, the Sequoia TRD Pro undercuts a fully loaded Ford Expedition by a significant margin while offering superior off-road capability and better long-term reliability than anything in this segment. Yes, the screen position needs fixing, but everything else Toyota got completely right. This is the full-size SUV that America deserved years ago, and almost nobody is talking about it yet. So here is my question for the comments. Same money, same family, same weekend trails. 2026 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro or Ford Expedition Timberline. Which one do you choose and why? Drop your honest answer below right now. I read every single one personally. Hit subscribe for a completely honest, unsponsored car review every single week. And I will see you in the next one.